Want to keep your long walls rock solid? Ending plate sections the right way is key to making sure your carpentry job doesn't turn into a wobbly mess. So, here's the lowdown on handling plate sections in long walls. Always stagger your joints instead of lining them up straight, because that spreads out the stress and keeps things stable. Make sure the plate ends line up with the studs underneath, so you've got something solid to nail into. Nail those plate ends firmly to the studs, with enough nails to hold tight, but don't go crazy and split the wood. When you're working with top plates on double plate walls, overlap the sections by at least one stud space. It's like locking pieces together for strength. If you're dealing with super long walls or tricky spots, use metal connectors or straps to add extra support where needed. Keep your cuts clean and your plates straight, since crooked ends make uneven joints that weaken the whole wall. Also, double-check measurements before cutting so everything fits snug without gaps. And finally, remember that good prep and patience go a long way to avoid headaches later when you put up drywall or add sheathing. One of the biggest mistakes in carpentry when ending plate sections in long walls is lining up all the joints in a straight line. This creates weak spots that can cause wall movement or cracks, so always stagger those joints. Another common issue is not properly nailing plate ends to studs, which leads to loose connections. Fix it by using enough nails and making sure every joint hits a stud solidly. Lastly, forgetting to overlap top plates or skipping metal connectors in longer spans can cause instability. Just overlap plates by at least one stud and add connectors if your wall runs really long or faces extra stress. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for skilled pros, so everyone wins when it comes to home improvement projects.